Previously, I introduced you to the Unity interface, and one of the core aspects that we looked at is the project panel. This contains all the assets you will use in your game projects. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a number of ways on how you can import assets into your Unity project. Now, I will go to the project panel, I'll right click, and then I'll select import and then go to custom package. Now, I'm going to go to a location on my system where I have the Unity custom package file. So I have it stored up in the desktop. I'll go to desktop and then I'll go to new folder. So there I have the prototype one. I'll open it and then I'm going to double click. So now we have all these options here. So all I'll need to do to import it into the Unity project is by clicking on import. The second way you can import this same assets into your Unity project is by going to Window, Package Manager, and then you're going to select this option, and then we're going to type create with code, and immediately we can see no result for create. Now we're going to go to the asset store and ensure you are online. So currently you can see that I'm online. I will go up here. So I have create with code prototype 1. All I'll need to do is to click open in Unity. I'll select it. So it's telling me that I need to sign in. All right. So I'm going to click here. So it means if I'm not signed in, there is no way I can import it into my Unity project. So I haven't clicked here. I'll check my browser. Okay, so it is currently loading. Let me reload it. So it's asking me to open. So I'm going to open it in Unity Hub. So that's all I will need to do. So we are done. So automatically it has signed in. So we can see it here. So I'm currently signed in. Okay, so you can see that it is loading. Okay, so I'll still go back to try it again. Open in Unity. I'll open it. Okay, now we can see it here. So all I'll need to do, I'll hit download. Okay, so I'm going to click import. I'll select import, install and upgrade. So this will take a few seconds and then our assets will be ready for us to use in our Unity projects. Okay, so I can now close it. I'll click import. Okay, so we have successfully imported our assets into our Unity project. So let's go through what we have. So you can see that we have ground. Okay, so let's increase the size thereof. Go back to course library. You have obstacles. So these are the number of obstacles that we have. And then this is more or less the sky. And this is the vehicle. Okay, so we have successfully imported assets into our Unity project. So that is it on this video. So I'll see you guys in the next video.